This is the Naviance student homepage. When ready, a student may add a college to their application list. To begin, please click on Colleges I'm Applying to. Common App is an organization representing nearly 900 colleges and universities. In order for counselors and teachers to send transcripts and letters of recommendations for schools utilizing the Common App, the student must match their Naviance and Common App accounts together. On the Naviance student homepage, at the bottom left is the Common App matching video, which will guide students through the process of matching their accounts. When adding a college to their application list, students will go to the right and find the button symbol where they can add a school to their application list. Students must type the school name in the box, as it's not a drop-down option. Students must know how they are applying, whether it is early decision, early action, regular decision, or an additional option. Please select the correct option, as it's helpful to the counselor and teachers when submitting their supplemental documents. You'll also see that it reflects how a student can apply, whether that is directly to the institution, Common App, or the coalition. When the student submits their application, it is helpful if they can select Submitted Application before adding this school to their college application list. As a student adds a school, the counselor can see the information on our end.